Alright. Take 2. Call me in the morning. Let's try and get in this Alaska snow again. It's coming down. I'm gonna let her go. There it is. The snow is coming down again in Alaska. It was bigger a little bit more inland. We're heading towards the water now, so it's kind of lightening up. Temperature differences. Anyways, I'm not allowed to make any comments on any videos or anything like that because I said something, I guess, to piss somebody off, but really I don't say anything bad. I just use descriptive terms, and if people are offended by like scumbag and turd and things like that, then I mean, what can you say? You can't call somebody a scumbag? I think they're a scumbag. They're acting like a scumbag. I say, you're acting like a scumbag. Or I'm talking to other people, my peers. I'm like, hey, those scumbags, the ones that we agree are scumbags. If you don't agree, then you're not in this conversation, are you? What do you like? Sitting at the table next to us and like, oh, I don't like what these people are talking about. But do you know them? No, I don't know them. Well, what business is it of yours what they're talking about? Well, they're at the restaurant. Oh, well, are they talking to you? No. So they can talk. They can talk. Right? You're not allowed to say anything bad, because if I do something bad, people will say that I'm doing stuff bad. People say, you're not allowed to do that. All this stuff. But I'm not allowed to say it. It's a crazy world. I made another video that I like better, but I'm so aggressive in it. I don't think anybody will listen to it. I've been on YouTube for years. I've been trying to help people get a grasp of reality for years. And I've seen all of the tricks. I've experienced all of the tricks. I've had many channels deleted. I've had so many, thousands of comments deleted. Thousands of comments hidden. When you look at Eric DeBay's videos, it'll say over 1,500 comments by me. That's just his videos. I comment on every video I watch because I respect the people that are taking the time to put those videos out. Or I understand why those people are putting those videos out. They're putting them out because it's like fishing. You get people on your side and you get more power. You say these bad things and you get people to agree with you. Now you've got bad things happening, and they're bad things according to other people, not according to you. They just left that tree there. They cut it off so high up, when it falls down again, when more snow comes on it, because it's laying over like that, it's gonna fall in the road again. So then what? They get to come out and cut it down again, or maybe kill somebody because they couldn't do it again. They had to come back and get another $20 to cut their fucking log that they set up. That's a setup. You just made that log a trap. Now what's gonna spring the trap? Who knows? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Maybe it's just an ignorance trap. Some ignorant fool like yourself sets a trap. Hopefully you fall in it. upload this video, and maybe I'll do one when I'm walking, but I don't plan on it. I appreciate it when people comment. That's really nice. Keep doing it if you want. I don't know. There's not really anything to say. I'm getting censored. By who? Well, what don't they like it when you say? Oh, when you talk about genocide, when you talk about certain people owning other certain people, they don't like those kind of things. I never call for any violence. I never ask for anyone to be hurt. I never say anyone should be hurt. I think they should be hurt, but I don't go around saying it. There's no fight. You don't get to fight any of these people. There is no fight, so there's nowhere to bring any violence. So that's impossible. That right there should win any court case. How the hell could there even be violence brought? To who? The attacker is unknown. They're cowards. So, I mean, they don't even seem to understand their own fucking rules.